Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. So I'm feeling very excited because I am just seeing how much Bhagwan Shri Krishna is taking care of me and how much he's helping me. I shot this video on humility just now. If you want to know more details, you can watch that. But it kind of shows the progress of, I mean, it shows it. I talk about humility in there, how he deepened the humility for me because I had one piece that landed for me about 3 weeks ago, and then I he gave me the next piece. It is like stages of journey of our journey. So he gave me the next piece through a lecturer who, and I didn't manage to pay attention to it. So then he sent a friend who also attended the same lecture, and she made it very real for me. Like she made it land for me. So I managed to get that next piece. It was beautiful, really beautiful. Bhagwan Sri Krishna is really, really reciprocative. He really helps, like, constantly. All you need to do is just open your eyes. And if you open your eyes and look around you and look for the gratitude around, like, look for things to be grateful for in the day, instead of like what we always do, look for things that go wrong. If we use our mind as our friend, not our enemy. If we're looking for things that are going wrong, we're using our mind as our enemy. But if we're looking for things that go right, then we're using our mind as our friend. So let's do that. Let's use our mind as our friend and look for things that are going right, and look for the miracles that Krishna is sending to us all day long, every day, if we're just receptive to it. All we need to do is to be receptive to it and open our minds and hearts to him, to his immense mercy. Okay, so let's sing the verse together. It's going to be 11:28. यथा नदीनां बहवोऽम्बुवेगाः समुद्रमेवाभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तथा तवामि नरलोकवीरा विशन्ति वक्त्राण्यभिविज्वलन्ति. As the many waves of the rivers flow into the ocean, so do all the great warriors enter into your blazing mouths. And so here he has merged 28 and 29. So I'm just only going to read the first part. As the many waves of rivers flowing rapidly into the ocean, so are all these great warriors entering into your blazing mouths. And he's saying that they're entering willingly. I'm not sure if that's the case. He's not said anything about willingly here. Prabhupada has not said anything about willingly here. I don't know if it's willingly or not, but anyways, as rivers enter oceans, all these people are entering into your mouths, blazing mouths. Okay, so that's it for this verse. We'll do chapter 11, verse 29 in the next video. Wish you a day filled with lots of spiritual grace. Radhe Radhe.